So when you get your DMG file, you would need to give some accessibility to the app. Currently, we're in the process of obtaining an Apple developer certificate for the app. And because we don't have it, we need to bypass some security issues on your computer. You double-click your DMG file and you will see a window where you need to drag the app to your applications folder. You do that, and then you want to open the app, but it will not let you. You need to open your system settings, go to privacy and security, and scroll down and open anyway. Then you need to insert your computer password, and the app will prompt you to open the system settings and give some accessibility. You open the system settings and you toggle on the privacy and security for the app. You insert your password again, and you launch the app. Congratulations!